What should you consider when you're hiring a lawyer? You should consider when you're hiring a lawyer the same things you consider when choosing your spouse, okay? The same things you consider when choosing your, I don't know, doctor. No one would ever pick up the yellow pages or look at a billboard or a TV commercial and go, that's the doctor for me. That's the guy. Or the subway ad, you know, the Dr. Zizmore I see in the subway every day. That's the guy for me, the guy I see in the subway. No one would ever choose their spouse or their professor or their university that they want to send their children to, or school or high school, by doing it that way. Well, I saw an ad, that's the guy. Yet that's how many people choose their attorneys. I don't know why, for the life of me. The way you should choose your attorney is by doing your due diligence, by doing your research, by getting a good recommendation from somebody you rely on. That's probably 99% of the way people come to me. Somebody says, go to this guy, trust me, check him out. But you should certainly not hire me alone or someone like me alone based on that recommendation. You should then meet the person in person, or unfortunately by Zoom these days, let's say, and get a feel for them. Do they seem like they know what they're talking about? Do they answer my questions appropriately? Am I comfortable with them? Some people don't like me. If you don't like me and my personality and the way I am, you should not hire me as your lawyer. I mean, that's okay. That's the way. And then the next thing you should do is do your own research, because these days you could find out so much about everybody, particularly lawyers. Has this lawyer had good results? Is he really the lawyer that goes to court and actually tries the case? There are exactly just about zero lawyers that you see on the television commercials late at night that I see in a courtroom. They don't go there. They end up sending their case to someone like me if it can't be settled, because I'm a trial attorney. I'm not the guy on TV. I'm the guy that plays the lawyer for real in court, not plays one on TV. These are the things you have to do when choosing your lawyer. Very similar to what you would do if you were choosing a doctor or choosing a school or researching into anything else. But for some reason, in my business, it seems that the guy that yells the loudest on the TV or the radio is the guy that people call first. And then some of them may be quite qualified or competent, but even if you're there, you still should meet whoever it is that you think's handling your case, and still should research all of the things that are available to you, to research them to see, are they really qualified? Do they have a history? Are all of these things there? That doesn't seem to be the way most people choose their lawyers. I think that's the way they choose their doctors or other really, really important choices in life. The lawyers should be no different.